All right, where's our group? How do we beat them here?
I don't know.
You sense the right one? How do we beat them here? We're here. Where's our group? All right, so we sat down here at SkinnyFATS. I'm still trying to get used to the name because, I mean, it's like jumbo shrimp, or postal service, or military intelligence. SkinnyFATS. Yeah. So anyway, even taking aside the name for a while, it came from the fact that SkinnyFATS have stuff that's good for you, for the skinny fat person, for the skinny, and then but instead of calling it for the stuff that's not so skinny, they call it happy. So you can have, they have a healthy menu, which is the skinny, and they also have a fat menu, which they call happy. So skinny, fat. Why don't you just call it healthy happy instead of skinny fat?
It doesn't sound nice.
I guess skinny fat sounds better than healthy happy, because obviously skinny and fat go together, but healthy and happy does not.
Yeah.
That's why we call it SkinnyFATS. Marketing 101. There you go.
Thank you.
I'm gonna have the oh yes, the filet of fire.
Filet of fire, that's a good one.
Yeah.
What kind of side did you want with that?
What are my choices?
Choices, anything under here. We have our fries, fruit, salad, hummus is really good.
Oh, truffle fries.
Yeah, truffle fries with that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Any drinks or cookies for you today?
Yeah, I'm gonna try your Charlie Brownie.
Charlie Brownie? Okay. Oh, that was awesome.
Cool name.
It's a good one too.
We got crazy number 15.
Crazy number 15.
Yeah, look at they're judging by the tongue there.
3 mile.
This is John's Cherry Papa. It is a hot burger with, you can see, has an egg in there and a jalapeno, and they have it with truffle fries.
Nice.
It looks very good. I ordered the.
You should do blogs.
At first, I thought this was mine because I ordered the very similar. It's called a filet of fire, which is also fried jalapenos as well, but it is made from filet mignon. You just got a burger.
I got a regular burger.
Yeah, you got a regular burger. So
With the
my
full
one's a
masses.
filet mignon. This is my drink. It's called the Charlie Brownie. So this is really cool. It's a shake, and it's made with. Listen to these ingredients: Nutella, strawberry, banana, froyo, and almond milk. Yeah. This is the healthy. Yeah, this is the healthy part of
serious?
the. I assume so. I mean, Nutella. The calorie. It doesn't say what the calorie is. So this is the happy. This is the happy.
I got the green mile. That's
yeah.
the healthy one. All green.
Oh, that's really good.
Is it?
Yeah, it tastes like the crepe. The crepe. So Carolina got a vegetarian dish. It's the mean green, right? A mean bean.
Made with beans?
Yeah, mean bean. It's a bean with sweet potato fries, and but yet it's the little thing. It's a happy. It's not. Yeah, it's that guy's the happy guy. It's not the your one. See your one.
Mine is.
Your one. What is that?
Mine.
Your,
Yeah, mine's
it's also
happier.
happy. Happy.
This is from the happy side.
Oh, but you figured that'd be healthy, not happy.
Healthy, I'm sorry, healthy side. This is from the healthy.
So you should be sad.
Yeah, should be sad though. Oscar is going for major happiness. Major happiness. I mean, what? Look at the size of this burrito. It's big. It's huge.
Wait, let me get a
It's
profile. out.
magnificent. I mean, and here's by comparison. This is a large drink, all right? To give you an idea how big this burrito is.
That's not true.
This is
That's a large drink.
This is Oscar's burrito next to a large drink.
That's a venti from Starbucks.
That's right, exactly. It's insane. And he's got the
John.
he's got some super happy tacos. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, what is this thing on top?
One of his fish and one is shrimp.
Shrimp? And this one is shrimp, one of them is
One
other.
is fish and one is shrimp.
One's
Yeah.
fish, one's shrimp. Wow.
They
Nice.
don't want to tell you that's elf jizz.
And what's in this burrito? Because it's like
It's
one whole
steak,
cow.
potato, eggs.
One steak, eggs, and potato. That's definitely happy. All right, this is my dish. I thought it was a burger, but it turns out it's a sandwich. It's called the filet of fire. Filet mignon, jalapeno cheddar, stuff. Yeah. It says fried jalapeno. I don't see any fried. I guess it's in there somewhere. And the steak looks overcooked, so I don't know. It just, yeah,
It's Trump style.
it's Trump style. Yeah, so we'll see. Let me try the fries.
Give us the
The fries good. Yeah. So right now we're gonna try this meaty sandwich here. All right, so let's try this thing here. Let's see how spicy this steak sandwich is. This looks The steak looks well done though. I'm hoping it was medium rare. Huh?
They're happy.
Can you give me the pineapple one? This is too spicy. I'll try it.
Yeah, it's okay. I wish the steak wasn't as well cooked, but otherwise okay. Good.